Imagine a store logbook says you bought groceries in January, returned them in March, still owe money in June, and somehow the purchase date changed to August. You would not argue with the cashier about feelings. You would point to the bad entries. That is how you dispute a charge-off. You look for dates and dollar amounts that do not add up. Here's what you'll learn in today's class. Identify inaccuracies in your charge-off reports. Compare data across all 3 credit bureaus. Dispute re-age dates to protect your score. Spot double reporting and take action. Craft effective disputes like a pro. Let's get started. Here are some key terms for this lesson. Date of first delinquency. The first month you fell behind and never got the account back to current. Past due amount. The amount the report says is currently late. Double reporting. When the same debt appears in a way. Now let's jump in. Credit is not just a score. Credit is a risk profile. Lenders, landlords, banks, insurers, and other companies read your report like a story about risk. A charge-off trade line can make the story look messy, especially when it updates every month. If it looks recent, unpaid, and confusing, the system may see you as riskier than the facts support. Here is the move most people miss. Do not look at only one credit report. Pull Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Think of them like 3 witnesses describing the same car accident. If one says the balance is 0, one says $900, and one says $1,400, that is a clue. Same account, different story. That can be disputable. Do not send a vague dispute that says, "Please remove this." Get specific. Check the balance, past due amount, date last updated, account status, payment history, creditor name, and date of first delinquency. That last one means the first month you fell behind and never caught up. It is the date that starts the 7-year reporting clock. Here is the eye-opener. If the date of first delinquency gets changed to a newer date, the account can look fresh again, like someone reset the expiration date on old milk. That is called re-aging. A re-age date is one of the strongest things to challenge, because that date controls when the item should fall off your report. Another common problem is double reporting. Picture selling your old phone to a friend, but your phone company still bills you like they own it. If the original creditor sold the debt to a collector, the original creditor should not keep reporting a current balance as if you still owe them too. The balance should usually show 0 if the debt was sold. A strong dispute sounds simple and direct. Say which account is wrong, which field is wrong, what the correct issue is, and what you want fixed. For example, this account shows a past due balance even though it is charged off and sold. Please investigate and correct the balance. Then ask for the method of verification, which means, how did you check this information? The goal is not to fake anything or deny real accounts just to see what happens. That is risky. The smart move is to challenge inaccurate, incomplete, or unverifiable reporting. If the report is a recipe, every ingredient has to match. Wrong date, wrong balance, wrong owner, or wrong status can spoil the whole dish. 850 AI helps you spot the bad ingredient.